Good morning, y'all. It is January 12th. I thought I would vlog again today. I'm not feeling too well this morning, but it is what it is. I'm actually just about to leave the house and go pick up my boyfriend. He is a couple cities over, I guess, and so I'm just gonna go pick him up. And I don't really know what we're gonna do today, but I thought I would vlog anyways. So yeah, let's go get him. I got him. So we just decided what we're having for dinner, so we took meat out. I am making a bagel right now, and then we also went to Starbucks and we saw that. And yeah, I think later I'm gonna make something with bananas, probably like banana muffins or banana bread or something. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna go make some banana chocolate chip muffins, and yeah, let's go with that. Alright, so I am sitting here editing the vlog and I realized I didn't do an outro. Last you saw I was making muffins. Those turned out really good. I will leave the recipe down below, but that is all for, I guess, yesterday's vlog. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.